North Carolina, southwestern Stokes County, northeastern Yadkin County, in northwestern North Carolina until 7 p.m. At 6 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dobson, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, hail-damaged vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Airy, Fairview, Dobson, Island Mountain, Mountain Park, Bottom, and Level Cross. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Locally, heavy rain will quickly reduce visibility and result in ponding of water on roadways, standing water in low-lying areas, and minor flooding of creeks, streams, and areas of poor drainage. Drivers are urged to slow down and use extra caution to avoid hydrant cleaning. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Stokes, Surry, and Yadkin.